Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here is our Cuisinart electric fondue set. It's a 3-quart capacity, 1,000 watts of power, and you can do many things in this pot, from melting cheese, as well as chocolate, and also heating up oil and cooking some raw meat, steaks, and chicken. It comes with a stainless steel fork ring, 8 stainless steel fondue forks, which are color-coded, as you can see, so there's no eating off of somebody else's fork. You can use several recipes, as I said earlier: chocolate fondue, cheese fondue, or make meats. I'm actually going to take a piece of bread, stick it in the cheese fondue, and see how nice and cheesy and gooey that is. It also has 8 settings here on the adjustable control, temperature control. And it's a great appliance to have if you're entertaining. So there you have it, Cuisinart's electric fondue set.
This fondue maker offered by Oster is unique, well-made, and easy to clean. Users love the non-stick coating, but some do note that they are not happy with the cord. The Oster fondue pot features titanium-infused DuraCeramic coating, which lasts 8 times longer than ordinary coating, and removable adjustable temperature control for convenience. What's also great about this product is that it has a magnetic breakaway cord for safety, and it's PFOA and PTFE free. Furthermore, you get 8 fondue forks in combination with a fork holder ring. However, you should take your time and choose that is comfortable for use.